Hi guys and welcome back. Summer's here. How about harvesting some mustard green and make a nice soup with it? Trust me, it's delicious. I eat it many times already, and the size of the ones you're seeing right now are good enough to harvest. So let's begin. Alright, so you only need around 100 grams of mustard green. Then you also need 100 grams of ground pork. You add a quarter teaspoon of salt to it. Then a quarter teaspoon of pepper. Now mix it well. Then marinate it for around 5 minutes. During that time, add the onion and garlic together. Then chop them in small pieces. Now take the mustard green and cut them in small pieces. In a pan, add a little bit of cooking oil. Then add the onion and garlic. Stir a little bit. Then add the ground pork. And stir it until it is cooked and dry. Next, add 500 grams of broth, preferably chicken broth. Then boil it. Now take out the skin. Next, add the mustard green. Now add half a tablespoon of chicken powder. Also a quarter teaspoon of MSG. And finally 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And that's it. You can eat it like this or with rice. Bon appétit!